Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 7, that is getting to know plants. So, in the previous lectures, we had discussed about different types of plants present in our surrounding. That is herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. This all we had discussed. Now today we are going to discuss about root system. So we all know that there in a plant there are two parts. In a plant there are mainly two parts. One is under the ground and the another part is above the ground. The part which is under the ground is called root and the part which is above the ground is called stem. And this stem have leaves, fruits, flowers, fruits and so many things. So today we are going to discuss, first of all we are going to finish the underground part. Then we will come on the upper part of the soil and we will discuss stem, leaves and fruits and flowers together. So now let's start discussion of root. So as I told you, root grows under the underground, means it is inside the soil. So here, to understand about root, we have to perform one activity. That is activity number 6 from your NCERT book. So what we are going to do here, we need two pots. Two pots we need in which we can plant a small plant. Next, we need two small plants, some soil, a khurpi for digging purpose, blade or a pair of scissors and water. So these are the things we are going to need to perform this activity. So by the help of khurpi, take two healthy plants from your garden. Maybe weed we can take or any healthy plant we can take. And with roots we have to take care that when we are taking the plant from the soil, the roots will not break, it will come with proper roots. And then two plants are there, so one plant A, put in a pot A with some soil and properly plant it and give some water. In the next plant, cut the root and then plant it into the pot and water the plant. For some days, or you can say for some weeks, keep watering the plant. After that, if you observe the plant, you will find that the plant with root grow well, but the plant without root will not grow. So what we will understand from this activity? It tells us that roots are needed for the survival of the plants. Why? Because roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and give it to the plant for proper development. If not, see, one plant without root will not able to survive. So this is the result of first activity, and we are able to understand the function of root, that it absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Now we are going to perform next activity, that is activity 7. Here in this activity we need to take some seeds of gram and maize, cotton wool, katori and some water, a bowl or katori and some water. Then take the katori, place some wet cotton in them, put 3-4 seeds of gram in one and maize in the other. Okay, so now after doing this, we have to wait. Keep the cotton sprinkling with water every day. So in few days you will observe that small thread like white structures will come out from both the seeds. So now the seeds becomes sprouts, and keep giving water so that these sprouts will form they will grow well and form young plants. Okay, so after that, when they form the young plants, or after a week, when you keep sprinkling the water and allow these sprouts to grow in young plants, you have to, after a week, what you need to do, you need to try to separate the young plants from the cotton wool. You will find it is very difficult because the young plants roots, uh, you can say, attach with the cotton wool very well. They will not let you allow them easily. You need to put pressure on it, or maybe you, if you put pressure, the roots part will be break also. So from this activity, what we will observe, we will observe from activity 6 that when you are digging a plant from your garden, you need khurpi to, or you need the digging tool to take it from the ground. You cannot simply uproot it from the ground. So it means, and here also from the cotton wool, if you are separating the young plant, you need to put force on it. So here from this activity we are able to understand that roots help the plant in anchorage. Root help the plant in anchor, means it makes the plant stand straight. Roots give the plant support in a standing straight by uh, uh, spreading in the ground and sticking with the particles, or binding with the particles of soil very well. So it provides anchorage to the plants. So class, today we had discussed two activities. I hope you are able to understand these two activities, and you are able to understand the result of these two activities. Number one, plants need root to absorb water and minerals from the soil, and number two, roots provide anchorage to the plant. So class, I hope you are able to understand this lecture. Have a great day. Be safe at home. If any problem, ask me. Thank you.